साथियों की तरफ से आपका शुक्रिया कि आपने हमें इज़्ज़त बख्शी. Thank you so much. I am absolutely delighted to be here tonight to introduce to you our incredible sports envoys from the United States. Tony Sanneh, come on up where people can see you, Tony. And Lorrie Fair. Welcome to Karachi. Tony Sanneh played on the United States men's national soccer team. His playing was so impressive that he was inducted into the U.S. Amateur Soccer Association Hall of Fame. Played on the United States national women's team. She is a 3-time Olympian and a world champion. Lorrie and Tony is part of the State Department's Sports Envoy program. Since 2006, U.S. soccer players, coaches, administrators, in partnership with the State Department's Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs, have visited about 20 countries around the world, conducting soccer clinics for thousands of boys, girls, and coaches. The United States is committed to sports diplomacy, and our envoys dedicate their time, their expertise, and their hearts to do very important things. To teach about leadership, to teach about teamwork, to build confidence and resilience, even when losing, and to help keep kids and adults active and healthy. We have right with us here 2 stars who know about leadership and who know about teamwork. They have played with teams who believed in each other and who worked as hard as they possibly could, and they came home champions.
Hi, my name is Lorrie Fair, and I am a United States national team women's soccer player, retired, and I am here with the Sport Envoy program. It's a program sponsored by the U.S. Embassy, and it's bringing people together through the sport of soccer. So I've been here in Islamabad and Karachi, teaching young footballers clinics, a little bit about football, but more so it's about building the relationship and bridging the divide between our communities. The youth of Pakistan are incredibly resilient. They are fearless. They love social media. They love to dance. And all they need to do is be given an opportunity to play, because whether they're girls or boys, whether they have disabilities or not, they all love football and would love more opportunities to play. And so we found them incredibly courageous, full of energy, and very quick learners. The food, however, is wonderful. The people are extremely hospitable. We've been learning some words, hazo, to smile, and I have to say I hope to be back because I really have enjoyed my time in Pakistan.
My name is Tony Sanneh. I'm a former member of the U.S. national team, played in the 2002 World Cup, also played in the Bundesliga and Major League Soccer. I'm here representing the Sports Envoy program through the State Department, and it's been a pleasure. We're having an incredible time with the kids. The kids are just smiles and smiles and smiles, and the Sports Envoy program uses sports to make a cultural connection and teach a little bit about the values that we have in America, and use the sport to promote mutual learning, understanding, and development. My experience in Karachi has been great. I got to tell you, I ate too much food here. It's been awesome. The people here are awesome. It's a little bit hot, but overall, I'd want to come back, and I'm having the time of my life.
बहुत कुछ यहाँ पे सीखा. इट वॉज लाइक ऑनर टू प्ले विद इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, डिफरेंट ड्रिल्स की और एंड आई एम जस्ट ग्लैड टू प्ले ओवर हियर.
सबसे पहले तो टोनी और लॉरी के साथ सेशन लेना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. हमारे पास इतने अच्छे स्टार नहीं होते खेलने के लिए और सेशन से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा आज, जैसे कि टीम वर्क, यूनिटी और टाइम मैनेजमेंट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट. और मैं बहुत ऑनर्ड था इस अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए कि मुझे इतने बड़े स्टार मिले फुटबॉल की टिप्स देने के लिए.